Hey everyone, welcome back to the small tutorial series on setting up our environment for openclaw in an Ubuntu-like environment. With Timeshift now installed and our first initial snapshot created, we'll now start adding Node and npm. But make sure that you do have your first snapshot already in your Timeshift, so in case anything goes wrong, you can always revert to your previous state. Great, I'll be starting with Homebrew. It's a package manager. It allows you to install, update, and remove developer tools and other software from the command line. It's super easy to use and it keeps your packages up to date very easily. So you don't have to be updating your packages one by one. All right, let's go ahead and update our systems here by using sudo apt update. Put your password in and just let that update. For this next step, you can Google search Homebrew for Linux and find this command, or just type it from my screen. Great, this is the command we're looking for right here. You can go ahead and type that down or copy it. And what this does is installing a binary to set up a minimal development environment that can compile code and work with GitHub repos. So that's what we need in order to go ahead and start installing Homebrew and getting the environment set up. All right, with that installed, let's go back to Homebrew and you can go to the home page and you'll find this command right here, or just copy it out from a screen. And then you'll just want to copy this and paste it into your terminal to install Homebrew. And then we can go ahead and start installing Node into our system. When Homebrew is done installing, you'll want to add the path to your environment. This allows your terminals to map to Homebrew and allow you to use it on the terminal. So that command is here. You can copy it off my screen. It's the same for everyone. You can go ahead and just run that. If the path is set up correctly, this next command will just set up Homebrew silently for your current shell. And then check the version, should let you know. If you got errors in any one of these, you may need to check how you set up your path. Awesome. With Homebrew installed, now you can go ahead and install Node through Homebrew. And you do that with brew install node. Great. With Node installed, we have everything we need to get openclaw installed into our machine and get things up and running. Go ahead and check everything to make sure that everything's okay. You can check the packages under brew with brew list. Check your node and your npm versions. Make sure that they're being routed correctly and their paths are set up. Great, with all of that done, let's go ahead and create a snapshot on Timeshift. So if anything were to happen, we can always come back to the save point and we don't have to redo this work. Just click the create icon to manually create a snapshot. Thank you so much for watching this small series on how to set up an environment for openclaw. The next episode I believe I'm going to be doing is on secure shell and environment variables to be able to securely keep your keys. Till next time.